Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 basic Java interview questions. In short, describe garbage collection in Java. Garbage collection is a mechanism by which Java reclaims the memory inaccessible by the application. Say you created a lot of objects in the heap memory, and sometimes the objects goes out of the scope, that becomes unreachable. So for any thread, if an object becomes unreachable, then they are eligible for garbage collection. So there is a garbage collector in JVM. It'll go and try to find out, it'll run and it'll try to find out all the unreachable objects in the JVM, and it'll reclaim all the used memory by them. So we can reuse the memory that is used by unreachable object. What are the types of polymorphism in Java? Static polymorphism, that means compile time I know what's going to happen. Function overloading is an example. Runtime polymorphism, overriding virtual functions. This is like using interfaces and abstract methods. What are the different ways of using threads? You can extend the thread class, or you can implement the runnable interface. The general recommendation is use always runnable interface, so that in future if you want to extend a different class, you can do it, because Java supports only you can extend from a single class. That means it does not support multiple inheritance, so you should not lose the opportunity of extending a class in future. If you extend the thread class, you lose that opportunity. Okay, so what is the difference between composition and inheritance? Has a relationship versus is a relationship. Composition means this A object contains X object. So I would say a car has an engine. Okay, and whereas inheritance is like here's a type. Say for a car is a type of vehicle. Okay, Ford is a type of car, something like that. So composition, it contains, whereas here it's a relationship. There is it's like a group. It's of the same type. Here in inheritance, we expose a lot of code to the subclasses, so it is like it is coupled more. Inheritance, it is coupled more, whereas composition, we are decoupling two different objects. So the recommendation is always try to use composition rather than inheritance, because we expose a lot of code in inheritance. What are static variables? Static variables means they are correspond to the class and not to objects. All objects share the static variables. Please remember, static means it is attached to the class. Hope these 5 questions are useful. Thank you and all the best.